In a world where every child is unique, where every little mind is a universe waiting to be explored, Trinity Spiral School embraces the wonder within each child. At Trinity Spiral School, we embrace the transformative impact of social-emotional skills development. Here, Spanish isn't just a language, it's a journey into cultural understanding, empathy, and brain development. Every child is different, and we celebrate those differences. With our tailored programs based on social and emotional maturity, we go beyond developing academic skills. We foster the complete growth of every child. We're committed to providing a comprehensive education based on research, neuroscience, and child development. Our idea is simple. We fill the gap in the traditional educational system so families can raise their children with effective social, emotional, and academic skills. With project-based learning, we help children develop these skills at an early age. Parent satisfaction is our top priority, and that's why we ensure the safety of students, parents, and staff. So, what are you waiting for? Register for our fall admissions day. www.trinityspiralschool.com. Trinity Spiral School, where wonder is the beginning of wisdom.